Hello everyone, welcome back with the second regular Sudoku, a Sudoku Heavy in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's still Friday, October the 30th, 2020, almost weekend. And the second one, regular Sudoku Heavy. How heavy is this? I do not know, but this one will be number 1824, and I have already counted the printed digits. Total of the printed digits here are 24, and 24, yes, if you compare with the extra Sudokus in the additional, 24 will be 4 stars Sudoku. Yes, 27 1 star, 26 2 stars, 25 3 stars, and 26 a 4 star Sudoku. Alright, so I hope I will solve this within 30 minutes because really 4 star Sudoku, I need more than 30 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5. In these 2 boxes, there are 5, no 5. In those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. Then. How about the 8 in the last column, the 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row, so the first row. The only place for the 8 should be there. So 3 missing numbers now. Those numbers are in this big square: 1, 2, and 6. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 6. We see here 1 and a 6, so no 1 and a 6 in this box. That means a 1 digit left should be the number 2. 1 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them for you. 1 and a 6. Alright. Alright. And now we have a pair. 3 in this column, 3 in the second column, so in the third column. The only 2 places for 3 should be here or there. Same story with the 7. 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7. Together with the 3, it's a pair. 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. That means those 2 missing numbers in the third column should be the 4 and the 8. 4 and 8 are missing in the third column. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. So we have an 8 in the first column, 8 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see here an 8, we see there an 8, so no 8s in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And then we have a pair. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 and a 2 in this row, so no 1 and a 2 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. 1 and a 2. So the other pair, we have here a pair, there a pair. The other pair should be the 4 and the 9. 4 and a 9, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Alright. And now. Alright. There are a lot of pairs, so prepare for it. Alright. In this row, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. So we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. Oh, wait. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, almost forgot. To the 9, 5, 6. Alright, so in this big square, we have 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 3 boxes. One of these 2 boxes is a 1, so no 1 in those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. So we have a 1 in the last column, a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 1 should be here, or there. One of these 2 boxes is a 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the middle column, the only place for the 3 should be there. Now we have a 3 here. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be a 7. 3 in this row, last row, 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. And now... Now. Ooh, let me see. 4. Yes, this column we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, so no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 7 is missing, and then 9 is missing. 5, 7, and 9. 5, 7, and 9. We see I need more information. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Need to wait. Yeah. Let me see. The 3. How about the 2? Yeah. Difficult. We have a pair. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. Same with the 2 in this row, 2 in the row below. So in the last row, only 2 places for the 2 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair here, 2 and 4. So the other 2 missing numbers in the last row are reserved for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square, 7 and a 5, 7 and a 5. Let me mark them. It's a pair within this big square. So this should be also 7 and 5. The 9 should be there. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Here should be also a 9. 6 in this column. 6 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 6 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 6 in this big square. We see here 6, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. So we have a pair again, 6 in this row, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places for the 6 could be here, could be there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 6 should be here, or there. We see here 6, so no 6 there. In one of those 2 boxes is a 6, so this box cannot be a 6. 1 box left for the 6, should be there. Then 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. Now we have a 7 here, so this cannot be 7 anymore. This should be a 5, and this should be a 7. 1 box left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here a 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Yes, 7 in this row, 7 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the middle column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 3. 1 box left in this third row for the number 4. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 2. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Now we have a 2 here, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 9. 4 and the 9, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them for you, 4 and the 9. How about those 2 numbers, the 9 and the 5? Nope, cannot fill this yet. Let me mark them again, 9 and the 5. Those 2 boxes in this middle column, 9 and the 4. 9 and the 4, we have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 9. Now we have a 9 here, so this can't be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be a 5. 1 number left in this column for the number 5. 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row, the 2 and the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 9. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be a 1, and the final 2 numbers, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Wow! Finish within 30 minutes. So I'm very, very pleased. So is this really a 4-star Sudoku? I don't think so. A 4-star Sudoku, I need more than 30 minutes to think, to solve. And this one was very, very quick to solve. So if I can do it, you can also do it. Thank you again for watching. I like this one. Thumbs up if you also like it too. Otherwise, thumbs down. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe, and hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload a new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.